All right, we're not on that side yet. Turn your paper on the side we're on. All right, so I'm going to see how you solve the first one. All right, so that's 3 and 5/10 times W plus 7. All right, I'm going to take turns. Answer me. Depends on what I ask. What's the greatest common factor in that problem? What do you think, Brian? I don't know. What's the greatest common factor? Greatest mean more. Okay, so one of those numbers you use more than the other. Which one of those numbers you use more than the other? 3 and 5/10. Good job. Because I multiplied 3 and 5/10 with the W, and I also multiplied the 3 and 5/10 with the 7. So the greatest common factor is 3 and 5/10. All right. All right. So 3 and 5/10 times W gave y'all what?
3 and 5 tenths W.
Good job. What operation did you use?
Okay.
I'm talking about what operations inside your parentheses? Addition. So I should have reworded that. All right, and then you did 3 and 5/10 times 7 and got what?
24 and 5 tenths.
What you got? 24 and 5/10. So your final answer that's equivalent to that is what?
3 and 5 tenths W plus 24 and 5 tenths.
Yeah, good job. All right, let's go down to the bottom. The 4 times 3Z plus 2. All right, what's the greatest common factor? Brian only this time.
4.
Yeah, it's the 4. All right, and you multiply the 4 with the first term and got what, Brian?
12Z.
12Z. And then you multiply 4 with the second term and got what, Luster?
8.
8. So your final equivalent expression is what?
12Z plus 8.
Good job. All right, let's go back to number 2. What's the greatest common factor?
1/2.
1/2. All right, and you multiply 1/2 with the first term and got?
1/2. Yep.
Okay, good. And what operation inside parentheses?
Addition.
Addition. So then you multiply 1/2 times 10 and got what?
5.
5, because half of 10 is 5. And your final equivalent expression is what?
Half 5 plus,
Half F
plus 5.
plus 5. Good job. Awesome.